How to transfer Capcut videos from PC to phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily move your Capcut videos from your PC to phone. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply head over to your Capcut and then sign into your account. So just tap on the sign in option and then sign in with whatever you're signed in with on your phone. So click on this. I'm just going to sign in my Google account. So I'm just going to click on continue. So as you can see here, I've signed in using my Google account. So what you're going to do now is click on create space. So click on this create or join space and then click on create. Now you're just going to go ahead and create your space, and you can copy this invitation link and send it to your own messages or something, and you can find your space right here. So you can upload your project here, select the video from your Capcut that you want to upload to your space, and you'll be able to find the certain video on your space on your phone as well. So as you can see here, the projects uploaded to the space can be viewed in Capcut app version 8.1 or above. Click on got it, and now your upload will start beginning. So click on upload project, and as you can see, it has been uploaded here. So if I check my phone, it will be visible on my space. So that's how you move your Capcut videos from PC to phone. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.